Alright, so SFA Championships Mumbai 2024 Season 7, we have the winners for under 10 shot put boys 2 kg. The third prize goes to Araham Gada Aditya Birla World Academy. Congratulations. Rakshana, can you please hand over the medals? The second prize goes to Arsh Saudagar from Orchids International School, Malad. The first prize goes to Tanay Periwal from Oberoi International School, Goregaon. Congratulations boys, well deserved.
एक सेकंड ना
Can we smile for the group picture?